This is the workflow that I built for my one of my client that are actually looking for building a WhatsApp, actually grabbing WhatsApp messages from a group like various group. This is only for I built for one group. I simply duplicate that. So this can grab a message from a WhatsApp group. Then we get that message, and then we can use that message to scrap only food and restaurant, like food and restaurant type of message, only scrap from that. Then we can filter messages, like I simply run that, click on execute workflow, let's show you the full process. So this is the schedule trigger, and this is the API UltraMsg I can use. This is the part that can scrap the item that are related to food and related. Actually this can filter out the blank, like we cannot use any images like to output as text, so we can filter out some of the text. Then it can only using this Python code we can filter some messages like this. I think it is not running currently now. Execute workflow. I think it can stop, then it can post on the WhatsApp group. I think it having some issues. I think I already fixed that in my simply just refresh this. I think workflow, just let's close this. Let's go to home. I already fixed that issue. I know. I think it is not working. I think which one is, I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, I think this is the full workflow. I think I copy the half. Let's execute the workflow and see. This is the workflow. HTTP request, aggregate, code in JavaScript, code in script, HTTP script, and 4 item, go out and send it. If you can see, now I can show you my WhatsApp, but I cannot write. Previously I can link my WhatsApp number. So this is the UltraMsg website called UltraMsg. This is one of my client that are scraping WhatsApp messages that are related to food and restaurant, and then post it message into another group. So we built that workflow for him. This is the workflow that can scrap. This is the aggregate. We used the all 31 item 81. Then we use code in JavaScript to scrap only valid output. Let's show you the result. It can scrap this type of message now. Now it can forget images, like we cannot currently we are not getting any images URL like this. So for this is images like, so this is blank. Now we can only grab text. This is the messages that are related to food and restaurant, like snack, lunch, dinner, snack, lunch, something like that. We can see that. Then we can again post into that our group. Okay, and you see that we successfully built that workflow for our client. Let's meet again in next video. Okay, bye.